today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Google Slides presentation in full screen, ensuring that your audience gets a smooth and immersive visual experience can make a big difference. Whether you're presenting in a meeting, teaching a class, or showcasing your ideas, knowing how to properly set your slides to full screen can help you deliver your message effectively. First, let's get to Google Slides. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. Make sure you have access to the account that houses your slides, as this will allow you to quickly locate and launch your presentation. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have a choice to make. If you have an existing presentation, open it. Otherwise, you can click on a blank presentation to start fresh or select from the available templates for a more structured start. This flexible approach ensures you're using a slide style that best fits your content and presentation style. With your presentation open, look towards the top of your screen for the slideshow icon and give it a click. This will initiate your presentation mode, allowing your slides to appear more prominently on your screen. You'll notice a small three-dot icon on the bottom left corner of your screen in slideshow mode. Clicking this icon will present you with additional options for your presentation display. Look for Enter Full Screen and click it. Your slides will now enlarge to cover the entire screen, eliminating unnecessary distractions from your presentation canvas. This not only enhances visibility, but also maximizes the impact of your content on your audience. Remember, when you're in full screen, you can still navigate your slides smoothly using the arrow keys or the navigation buttons often available with presentation devices. This makes moving between slides effortless and keeps your presentation flow uninterrupted. Full screen mode is particularly useful when presenting to larger audiences or when sharing your screen during online meetings. By following these steps, you'll improve your presentation delivery and keep your audience focused on the core content. Full screen viewing ensures a professional and engaging experience every time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your next presentation a great success. Happy presenting.